we're always looking for new leaders to step up and help.
Today's my first day as real estate agent and I'm taking you with me. I'm taking the day off from my main business and getting the things done that I need to do to go and get some deals. I got my license, I got accepted into the board of realtors, I have MLS access, but I need to figure out the contracts and how to do a CMA in the MLS. So it's 9:30 right now. I'm leaving here in about 20 minutes because I'm gonna go to my brokerage where my real estate agent friends are and they're gonna show me how to do the things I need to do. So until then, I'm gonna get caught up on some of their free training. I have read 2 books on real estate and maybe, The Millionaire Real Estate Agent and Shift, both by Gary Keller. Fantastic books. Those are the first 2 I would read in that order. This is Crystal, the nice lady that's been helping me set up my real estate business. You may or may not have seen her, depend on if you follow me on social media. If you do, you've definitely seen her before. She's gonna give me the rundown, quote, show you some cool shit, so I'm looking forward to it. What in the world?
I know, right?
That's the weirdest chair I've ever seen. All right, that took 2 hours, and oh my God, I learned pretty much everything I need to know. I'm pretty convinced that without Crystal, I would be screwed. She showed me how to write contracts, she showed me how to use the MLS, she showed me how to do a CMA, all this stuff. And she also told me that there is some required training before I can even write my own contract that I didn't know about. So I gotta do that fast. But first, the lunch. I'm sitting in the parking lot of a McDonald's. I don't know where my wallet is, and this is the quickest place I knew that I could use Apple Pay to get lunch, so we're doing curbside. Ironically, the one day where I'm not running my main business is I'm doing my first day as real estate agent. My main business is getting lit up with emails and clients and whatever. We gotta stay focused on the mission, baby. So I feel a lot more comfortable about I gotta tell them what slot I'm in. I feel a lot more comfortable about actually getting a client and being able to write up a legitimate offer and all the contracts. And there's this service that they told me about. Apparently this is, you can hire transaction coordinators to work for your real estate transaction. Basically, you hire a transaction coordinator and they handle all of the inspections and the contracts and basically do all your work for you for $250. So I'm gonna hire a transaction coordinator. That's what I'm gonna do. All right, that's ordered. 12:30, and I will see you back in the office. Back home. Another thing I found out is, so the training I was doing this morning on the computer was not the training that is required. I gotta do that, get that done, and then I have to write an offer and submit it to the broker. And if he approves the offer, then I can technically go out and practice real estate. So as soon as I'm done watching TV, eating lunch, that's the first thing I'm gonna do. All right, so I changed into something more comfortable because I thought that I was going to be doing this Keller Williams class. I am not doing that right now because I can't seem to find the material or what she's talking about, and I'm not for sure that I have to do the whole broker contract thing. So I sent her an email. So what I'm actually doing right now is I am in my MLS right now, updating some of my personal information, adding my company logo, adding my headshot, and just kind of, making it look good. And then I'm going to figure out how I can download a CXV file or something like that for my entire contacts list in my phone, because they said if I download that list, I can send it to the marketing company Keller Williams works with, and they can actually import every single contact I have into their command system, which is basically how I can send like automated messages and mass marketing things automatically and stuff. So I'm gonna do those real quick. Other than that, I don't know. But if you're interested in learning how to get your real estate license, how much all that stuff costs, you can check that out. There might be some material on this channel, but my other How to Make Money channel, the Greyson Roberts Show, actually has how to get your real estate license, how I got my license in 2 weeks, and all that stuff. So definitely check those tutorials out. And we have a sponsor for today's video. Don't skip ahead because today's sponsor is gonna pay you to sign up instead of the other way around. That's right, today's sponsor is Webull, my favorite online stockbrokers, and it's completely free. And here's what I mean by they're gonna pay you. They're gonna pay you with 6 free stocks, a minimum of $3 each, valued all the way up to a combined total of $12,600. My last stock was $53. It was a Marvel stock. Now, all you gotta do is click the link in my description, create an account, fund your account with as little as 1 cent so they can put all the stocks in your account. You can either sell them and buy the dip and grow your money, put it away into retirement and savings, or simply cash it out and unfortunately probably pay for some gas. With this inflation's hitting hard, so this sponsor could not have came at a better time. Literally just got a Webull notification on my watch. So if you're interested in literally earning some free money, definitely check out Webull and download their app and get that money. So in the terms of actually like getting off the ground, I've got 1 lead. Well, it's not a lead. They actually got their offer accepted for a $230,000 house, except I didn't have my license in time, so I just had to do the 25% referral fee. So I should make about $1,000 from that with literally doing almost nothing. So that'll be fun. And then my father-in-law is looking at a lake condo for $350,000. There's really no budget, just whatever comes up. We put it in an offer. I would have made about probably $4,000 to $3,000 about, because I'm splitting that commission with Crystal because she's the one basically teaching me everything, so, you know. But look at this. This is something that we set up in the MLS. So anytime there is a new house listed, I get emailed immediately. And the reason for that is it's listed as open house potential. So every single new listing, I can call the agent, ask them if they need someone to host their open house for them, and that's a fantastic way that I can go out and hand out my business cards. So there's a little hack for you. Once you actually get in, set up listings and get literally every single new listing emailed to you from the MLS, and then call them up and try to get as many open houses as possible. I've been having a lot of fun playing on the MLS. I cannot wait to do my first official CMA, competitive market analysis. Maybe I'm a nerd, but I'm excited.
Is displaying a message stating a super EQ payment is required. Please press 1. If you have forgotten your PIN code, you will need to
So I'm trying to pay for and use the whole, lockbox on the doorknob thing, how you can like get in to show clients houses and stuff. But it's asking for a key serial number and a PIN. I don't know where either one of those are. I just registered. I don't know what those are. So, and their customer service, I don't know. It says it's provided by the MLS, I guess? I don't know. I'm pretty much at a dead end for today. I don't know what to do about the training, and I don't know what to do about signing up for this. And this is like the last thing I need to sign up for. And it's only 2 p.m. So, there's apparently more training that's required from the board of realtors, and it's 5 hours. So, I'm gonna knock out 1 hour today. That's gonna put me at 3 o'clock, and then we'll see what's going on. I just paid them $900, and they still gotta make me go through more 5 hours of training. But there is Supra training on there, so hopefully, Nerd's Chapstick, I will learn how to get, logged into the damn thing. That's weird. That's weird.
And have a voice. We're always looking for new leaders to step up and help know your username and password. Use the self-help process.
I found a solution.
You can customize your password.
All right, it is 2:45, 2:52. I'm calling it quits. That's my first day as a real estate agent. This course got boring, but when I went out of it, only 50 minutes later, 70% done. Finish this training, do the extra Keller Williams training, figure out Supra, and I guess maybe get some open house opportunities. If you enjoyed today's video, hit that subscribe button because I'm gonna be vlogging my experience as a real estate agent. So stay out on the lookout for the next video where I try to get some open houses and go to an open house. So thank you guys for hanging out. The next episode will just be another regular business vlog. Okay, so as far as that training for Keller Williams, yeah, that is not required. So I don't have to do that. And as far as the whole making a contract for a broker before I can go out there, that also isn't a thing. So the only thing that I need to figure out at this point is how to access Supra, which I did not have time for this day. Immediately I gave up and went to the pool. But listen, this is what I recommend on your first day. Gather literally the biggest contact list humanly possible and push out a copy and paste message. Put it on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, literally everything you have. Let everybody on planet Earth know that you are a real estate agent, and if they're looking to buy, sell, or invest with you, yeah, have them use you. So point being, first day, make everybody aware. It's gonna be a lot of boring setting stuff up, but hey, that's how it goes. That's what you should do, and that's your first step. Get educated, subscribe to the channel, keep watching my journey, and also I highly recommend The Millionaire Real Estate Agent as well as Shift, both fantastic real estate agent books. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next real estate vlog.